Rule number 5 in the 7 non-negotiable rules of public speaking is to create an experience. Yes, you want to create an experience for your audience. You don't want your audience to just sit there and look and watch and twiddle their thumbs or look at their phones. You want to create such an experience that they're in your presentation, they're with you, they're conscious, they're awake, they're with you every step of the way. So how do you do that? You want to get them involved mentally and physically. So you could do that in the first couple seconds just by asking enrolling questions. Raise your hand and ask the question. That gets people involved physically as well as mentally because they are looking and searching for the answer. You want this to be a positive experience. So you might say something like, how many of you want more clients? How many of you not only want more clients, but you want a lot of clients? Something that you know your audience wants. You don't want to use the negative way to do that, though. You don't want to say, how many of you claim bankruptcy? Because you're not going to get that physical response that you want. So make sure that it's positive and it's what your audiences want. So get them involved. There's lots of other ways too. You can have them finish your sentences. So oftentimes I'll say, one of the phrases I learned in corporate America is people buy from people they know, like, and the audience will shout back, trust. So that's a way that they can finish your sentences. It makes them listen, right? And then they just automatically want to respond. You can, of course, do high fives and all of that. You can say, touch your heart and repeat after me. There's so many ways that you can provide an experience. And one of the things I like to do is if I see my audience kind of drifting, maybe it's hot in the room, or maybe there just was a special moment. If you want to change the state, then just get them to stand up physically. And one of the things I like to do is tell them to get into your superhero pose. So you'll have some people posing like Superman, some people posing like Wonder Woman, and it's a lot of fun, and it totally changes the state. So if they were kind of asleep or hot or tired, it changes. If you had a delicate moment or kind of a tender moment and you want to change that up, that will change it as well. So that's a great idea to do, and it's a lot of fun. So remember to give your audience an experience, and not just one experience. You want to give them experiences throughout your entire presentation. Let your audience do some of the work for you, so you're not working so hard. You'll appreciate it, they will appreciate it. And remember, we will all remember that experience.